guys, it's the YouTuber that never posts. Today I am going to be, that's a good itch. I'm going to be doing 2 unboxings. I got an anime figure, because I'm weeaboo, and if you don't believe me, then I got a Sailor Moon figure. I already own a Sailor Moon figure, like the one from Hot Topic, but in this one, I saw it and oh my god, that's glitter. I don't know why it says Prime, because I'm too broke for Prime. So I'm just gonna pretend that I do it Prime. So let's just get right into it. Got some dick scissors I got from grade 8 from a boy. And let's cut right into it. Ah, fuck. Oh my god. I cut myself. Don't cut towards you. Cut away. I ordered this last Wednesday, which was about a week ago exactly. And then they only shipped it yesterday. And I paid for shipping. Like, what? Honestly, I am so happy though that I got it today, because tomorrow I get my braces off. So, okay. And I finally, like I said, got Mio. I'm a Cinderella girl, so I can finally complete the series thing. So, first I got Uzuki, then I got Rin, and now Mio. Let's cut into her. Perfect! I got it! Ooh. Oh, there's more tape. Oh, okay. Ooh, I got her. Got it good. I see you there, girl. P.S. you guys, you know, if you want more videos, I got a wish list on Amazon. I can link in the bio. I mean, may or may not link in the bio. And you may or may not want to buy me some figures. Wow! Ooh. Okay. I'm very scratchy right now. Like, I got an itch for some dick. Like in China, did you know? League of Legends is very popular amongst men, so if you say to a girl, hey, let's play League of Legends together, that means, LOL means masturbation, and, well, you wanna play some League of Legends? Yep, you're welcome. I don't know why you needed to know that, but you did. Honestly, I'm like the newest information guru. Since I can't do makeup, and since I can't make videos, I might as well give you some useless information, since I am pretty useless. Get out! Her panties are lame. New figures are always so tight. So this is Mio. She is the 3rd one in my collection of Cinderella girls. She's pretty cute, man, if I don't say so myself. Next up is our Sailor Moon. Get out!
Get out! Right now! It's the end of you and me, it's too late. Yeah, it's you.
Wait, I forgot the lyrics. Wow! Ooh. Oh, yeah, she's feeling kind of gritty from the glitter, to be honest. But that's what you get for glitter. I always suck at these stands, to be honest. I don't know why. I was gonna be like, bitch, you give me a stand, but no freaking stand hole. What's the word? Stand hole? Hole stand. 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 Pedestal. Hole for the stick. Hole for the stand. This is what she looks like. stand came off. Whatever. Thanks for watching and see you next time.